Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by validating essentials: firmware, drivers, and a clean workspace. Once done, mount the Gen 2 cube and secure the part so it won't shift. Next, open your base model, confirm units are millimeters, and create a backup. This protects your original. Then, choose Initial Resolution to 0. 5 mm and enable adaptive sampling. These first steps reduce noise and preserve sharp edges. Make sure inputs and tool offsets match the device, because small mismatches break topology downstream. You now focus on the complex middle, parameter tuning and iterative passes. Start with a low-res pass at 1, 5 mm to capture general form, then increase to 0. 5 mm for detail. This two-step approach saves time. Use smoothing weight around 0, 2 to 0. 6 to reduce noise without erasing features. Meanwhile, apply crease masks on sharp edges so corners stay crisp. Once you run each pass, inspect normals and topology. Correct flipped faces early, because fixing them later is costly. You finish by consolidating and exporting. Decimate strategically to your target polygon budget while preserving UVs and silhouette. Once done, bake normal and ambient occlusion maps to retain visual detail on lower-res meshes, then export as OBJ or FBX with consistent scale. Make one last visual check for holes or non-manifold edges and run a quick topology clean. If you see artifacts or lost detail, rerun a targeted high-res pass and use reprojection to transfer fine detail. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.